A vital piece is missing in the renewable energy puzzle in Europe: cooperation. Effective cooperation mechanisms would allow Europe to reach its renewable energy targets at much lower costs. However, the potential modes of cooperation, namely joint projects, joint support schemes, and statistical transfers between member states, have hardly been used so far. The EU Horizon 2020 project, MUSTEC, has analysed the framework conditions for the use of cooperation mechanisms for concentrated solar power (CSP) projects in Europe, and has produced a detailed roadmap and action plan for their successful implementation. 3 main fields of action need to be addressed by policymakers at European and national levels in order to facilitate the implementation of CSP cooperation projects in the future: political and regulatory, techno-economic, and socio-political frameworks. First of all, to stimulate the use of cooperation mechanisms, a clearer statement and a more targeted supportive framework for cooperation at an EU level are crucial. Furthermore, the additional complexity of collaborative CSP projects should be compensated, for example by using the available funds for cross-border renewable energy projects under the Connecting Europe Facility and the European Renewable Energy Financing Mechanism. Also, the design of auctions should acknowledge the value of dispatchability and storage and provide adequate remuneration for electricity delivered at hours of peak demand. Global CSP deployment has slowed down and shifted away from Europe. The CSP levelized cost of electricity has seen a clear downward trend in recent years, but it needs to be further reduced to make CSP more competitive. Ambitious energy and climate policies that set the appropriate price signals and reflect the value of flexibility in the electricity system, as well as the continued provision of targeted research, development and demonstration support, are essential elements in this regard. To ensure broad public support and to avoid opposition to future CSP cooperation projects, basic groundwork needs to be done to create awareness for the benefits of renewable energy cooperation in Europe. Targeted information campaigns should address the general population, as well as NGOs and all relevant stakeholders at local, national and European levels.